Want to unlock the power of instant communication and connect with your audience directly? Then learn how to send SMS messages using Plivo. First things first, head over to Plivo.com and sign up for a free account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the phone number section. You'll need to purchase a Plivo phone number. This will be the number your SMS messages are sent from. Choose a number that fits your needs and budget. Next, go to the messaging section and select Send Message. Here, you'll find the fields to compose your SMS message. Enter the recipient's phone number in the destination number field, making sure to include the country code in the sender ID field. Input the Plivo phone number you purchased, then type your message in the text field. Finally, click the Send Message button. Plivo will then deliver your SMS message. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your message was successfully sent. You can also check the delivery status in the messaging logs. That's it. You've successfully sent an SMS message using Plivo. Explore Plivo's documentation for more advanced features, like scheduling messages and using templates. Thanks for watching.